Imagine this. It's a regular day, you're sipping your morning coffee, scrolling through your phone, when suddenly, breaking news. Aliens have landed on Earth. What would happen next? First things first, let's talk about the initial reaction. Panic? Probably. Curiosity? Definitely. Imagine the world's governments scrambling to make contact, scientists buzzing with excitement, and the internet exploding with theories and memes. But let's get serious for a moment. How would humanity actually handle such an encounter? The first step would likely be containment and communication. Governments would establish secure zones around the landing site, probably somewhere remote to avoid mass hysteria. Think Area 51, but on a global scale. Scientists and linguists would work around the clock trying to decode any signals or messages. Now let's talk about the aliens themselves. If they're advanced enough to travel across galaxies, they probably have technology beyond our wildest dreams. Imagine the possibilities. Medical breakthroughs, energy solutions, and maybe even answers to some of our biggest existential questions. But it wouldn't be all roses and rainbows. There'd be a ton of skepticism and fear too. Would they be friendly or hostile? That's the million-dollar question. History has shown us that when civilizations with vastly different levels of technology meet, it's rarely peaceful at first. Look at Columbus and the Native Americans. But let's assume for a moment that these aliens come in peace. In the best-case scenario, this could be the dawn of a new era for humanity. Imagine global unity driven by a common goal, understanding and integrating with our new visitors. Borders would become meaningless. We'd be Earthlings first and foremost. Advances in technology and science could leap forward by centuries. Diseases cured, energy problems solved, even space travel could become a daily commute. But let's not forget the darker side. What if they have their own agenda? Resources are always a big issue. Would we become a resource-rich planet ripe for exploitation? Or, even worse, what if we're just another species to be studied, catalogued, and maybe even eradicated if we're deemed a threat? These are the questions that would keep us up at night. But one thing's for sure, life as we know it would change forever. The encounter would force us to confront not only our place in the universe, but also our humanity. How we treat each other, how we treat our planet, and how we prepare for the unknown. So as you go about your day, sipping that coffee and scrolling through your phone, just remember, the universe is vast and full of possibilities. Who knows? Maybe the next breaking news headline will be aliens have landed. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep looking up.